Old plastic nipple is gonna go in the backside. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a vlog for you today after I finish snacking on my hair. I'm gonna be building a project in this video because it's been getting stupid hot in my garage and it's almost impossible to detail cars. So I'm gonna make a homemade swamp cooler, and I got some really exciting news. But first, this homemade swamp cooler. $0.49. 49 cents for a screw. It's gonna hold my microphone together so it won't keep falling apart on me. I'm not gonna make you guys wait for this news. So, I don't know if you've seen the video a couple days ago. I did a car review with Roman from TFL, and it was really fun. I haven't done any collaborations with other YouTubers, so getting to do that video with Roman was kind of a cool experience. If you guys haven't watched TFL, they do car reviews on brand new cars, and it's a channel I've actually been watching for quite a few years now. I'm kind of a nerd when it comes to new cars. I'm really into like reading about what's new and coming out from the different manufacturers. So getting to review brand new cars is something that I think I would really enjoy. That being said, I have everything I need to make this swamp cooler, I think. Oh, and I can fix my microphone. I grab a tripod real quick, set you up so I can work, do things with my hands. Yep, there we go. Go a little bit lower so you can see my boobs, because we all know that's how I get my views. What? At least I'm honest. Okay, I'm gonna take my 49-cent screw. Makes me sound like a cheap hooker. Unswivel this real quick. Hope you guys don't mind me stealing that real quick. Don't worry, I'm gonna get back to the subject of this TFL thing. But first, gotta fix these audio issues. I can't make YouTube videos for you guys if I have problems. Okay, I gotta get something to screw this real quick. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. I think I'll use the center hole. That way it's more balanced. There we go. And then the audio cord goes in the side. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna put this back. I'm not gonna lie, this is really difficult for me to mentally keep up with whether I'm talking about the TFL thing or talking about the swamp cooler. But I'm multitasking. I'm doing 2 videos in one. So that way, I don't know. It just sounded like a smart idea, so I'm going with it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Anyway, the whole TFL thing. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be reviewing cars for TFL on their channel, but I'm still gonna keep this channel. So I'm gonna be on 2 different, that's 4. I'm gonna be on 2 different channels. I'm gonna be on my channel. You guys won't notice anything different over here. And then I'm also gonna be doing car reviews on TFL. My hose smell like Home Depot, which is gonna be awesome. I'm really excited to be able to do this. I'm not moving to Boulder, Colorado, which is where they're located. I'm gonna be doing the car reviews here in Tucson. So I'm really excited. This channel is not gonna change. I'm still gonna keep doing this channel as it is. So you guys are not gonna be missing out on anything. But now if you wanna see me do car reviews on brand new cars, you can go to TFL Car and you'll be able to watch me on TFL reviewing new cars. Excited? I know I am. Okay, now to my arts and crafts project. I spent exactly $30 at Home Depot. And I got hose, a Ryobi little miniature universal water pump. I bought Ryobi because my pressure washer is made by Ryobi and I really like it, so I figured I'd get one of their little water pumps. So it was only $17. The hose was like $4, and I got a big foam pad for swamp coolers that was $6, so $27. I spent $27 so I could make a homemade swamp cooler. I think that's a pretty good deal. 27 bucks for a swamp cooler. So if this actually works, I saved quite a bit of money because swamp coolers are not that cheap. I'm going to be taking this purple fan, this blue swamp cooler fabric, and then I'm gonna use a bucket of water, some of this hose, and the pump, and the pump is gonna take the water from the bucket and it's gonna draw it up over the top of this guy, and I'm gonna have a bunch of holes poked in this so that way it drips down the water into this big foam pad and gets that foam pad saturated, and then the fan is gonna be drawing air through that saturated pad. In essence, I'm making a swamp cooler. That's how you make a swamp cooler, I guess. Cue the build music. I need zip ties. Let's get some zip ties. Come on. You guys are coming with me. I need to get some zip ties. I think I got zip ties. I do. Now to the arts and crafts portion of this video. I have a plastic cap, a pink Dixie cup, hot glue sticks right here, and the fan. So right here in the center of the fan is where the motor is at. Now, all the tutorials I've watched on this and like the guides on how to make this swamp cooler don't really say a whole lot about having water dripping so closely to the fan motor. And this fan isn't designed to have anything wet near it, I wouldn't imagine. So what I am going to do is I'm going to use this little Dixie cup and this cap, only because I don't have a cap big enough. And I'm going to cut the Dixie cup so I can have some of the flare right here and attach it so this cup will kind of flare outward. And then I'm going to hot glue it over the motor like that. So that way the motor has a clear opening to get fresh air and doesn't have any water near it. Oh, come on. Might need to do it a couple times. There we go. Just like that. So now I gotta drill a bunch of holes on this right here so that way air can pass through, and then I'm going to hot glue the edge of the cup to the back of the fan. There we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hot glue gun and I'm gonna put a bead right around here in the perimeter of the cup. That is some hot glue. I need a workbench. Damn it, I don't have a workbench. Engage holes. Ta-da! It's not the most symmetrical drill job, but it'll do the job. From what I can tell looking inside the fan, it's all sealed on the inside of here. So the only place where the electrical components are exposed are right back here in the very back of the fan. Let's move the camera down here so you guys can see the next step. Oh, there we go. Oh, too far. I think it's gonna work. It's on there pretty good too. You gotta mount this on top of there. Trace around it like that, and like that, and like that. There you go. Ta-da! Got my blue square cut out. Okay, I don't really know when the TFL thing is gonna start. It's probably gonna be in the next couple weeks or so until I actually start doing videos for them. But I'm gonna be doing weekly videos for them as well on top of doing my channel. So I'll be doing new car reviews for them, and none of that content will be available on this channel. So if you guys wanna watch my new car reviews with TFL, you have to go to TFL to watch them. But I will still do custom car reviews on my channel. So like subscriber cars, you guys have cars that are modified, you want me to review them, I will do those on this channel. And by doing these car reviews for TFL, it's gonna make it a lot better for me to review cars for you guys because I'll have a lot more experience driving a lot of different platforms. This is so weird. Why did I do these two things in one video? Yeah, buddy. I don't really have any method to this madness. I'm just kinda going along. Oh man, what a cheap zip tie. Thing broke super easy. Last step, the tube. I'm gonna run the tube Run the rube along the top. Run the tube along the top of the Finalizing. I say some dumb shit. Do I have mom jokes? But I don't have kids. I'm not that old. Oh yeah, this is plenty long. Where's the plastic nipple? Little plastic nipple is gonna go in the backside. That'll keep the water from going out the very end of the tube. And now I just gotta mount this along the top. Damn, I don't have any more zip ties. Wait a minute, no I didn't. Macbeth sent me some in a shift box. Haha. Thank you, Macbeth. Oh my God. She is a lifesaver. Ta-da! Swamp cooler. All right, let's give this thing a shot. First, I need a bucket of water. Now I gotta poke some holes. So I'm gonna use this tiny little nail and make the holes along the top of the hose. So what I'm doing is I'm poking holes like in 1-inch intervals, and I'm holding it with a pair of vice grips because that would really hurt to try to do it with your fingers. 10 holes, 36, 83, 9 million, infinity, ooh. W. And the pump is gonna go on there just like so. Submerge this guy in the bucket of water, just like that. Yeah, buddy, it's working. Look, you can see the water is coming down the pad. That's awesome. The motor still has its little access, so no water should get on there. It's not like a whole lot of water drips off this thing anyway.
That's pretty cool, Sarah. I've never thought of making that.
Ooh, I got my legs in front of it and it's actually chilly. This actually works.
That's good.
Does it? It feels cooler.
It does. It's kind of funny too because it really is round. Like I feel like that's something you would make in f***ing Fallout 4.
That's where I figured out how to do this, was Fallout 4.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh my God, my car needs washed so bad.
Check it out. What do you think?
I think it's pretty good. It works pretty decent too. Like the air coming out of it's probably, well, it's probably like a good 15 degrees colder than ambient.
I gotta get better.
You should ask your subscribers if they have any recommendations for work boots.
Recommendations for work boots? Why?
Because mine are falling apart and they were expensive.
Oh, I don't care.
I feel like that should be on Pinterest.
I'm proud of myself. I don't know what kind of video this was, but I was just trying to do something different for you guys, a vlog of sorts. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye. Say bye.
Toodles.
What was that?